Shop Zada. We buy it so you don't have to.
Alright guys, Rob, Shop Zada back here. This is, sorry, I got this stupid thing a little too close. So, alright. So now this is the true test of this, this Jie Cheng tire, whatever you want to call it. The other tubes I had, they were crappy tubes, man. They were all rotten. I was trying to fix them. It worked, but I think it just I kept getting pinholes everywhere. So a boy in the neighborhood had this. So as you can see, this is a good tube. I have one area that I have to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it here. I need a little sand here. So this is going to be the true test of the stuff. The tube, like I said, those two rotten ones were not good examples. I actually had another tube, but it was the same thing. One of the vulcanizing patches wasn't good. And then there was another one kind of near the valve. I could have tried it, but I feel like I'm just wasting this stuff. So, but this is the real test. This is one hole, and I think we're gonna see from this, because the valve stem on the other tube worked really well. It except the problem is when you try to put I put it on the other boy's bike to trade him, but the only problem is I had to take a file and make the hole bigger, because when you put the stuff on the valve stem, then it makes the valve stem bigger. I think that's enough. I don't think you have to go too crazy on this stuff. There's the hole right there, I think that's the hole. So what I'm going to do is now I'm just going to put this stuff on, and then I'm going to wait 24 hours, and then that's it. Hello. And then that's it. So I'm going to put this stuff on here. And so I'm going to put this on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just spread it with this thing here. Why I'm going to spread it with this thing, I don't know. The other guy just smeared the thing all around. I don't think you need that much of this stuff. So yeah, I don't know if I'm doing this well enough, because then you always have this stuff on it. That should be enough. I mean, maybe I'll put a little more just because, just for, there we go. I think that's enough. Honestly, I think that's good. I think that's good. Just put this here because I have excess. Kind of wipe this off here, and that's it, guys. This is going to be the true test of this stuff. There it is. We got to wait. Like I said, this is no miracle solution for vulcanizing tires, but I think it's going to work well now because it's a good tube, and I'm excited to see what happens tomorrow when I blow it up. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. All right, guys, Rob, Shop Zada back a little later than 24 hours. I had some stuff to do, but this is our result. Feels really nice. You see that? Elastic. So I got the water here, as you can tell. This is a one-hole. This is a one-hole tube. Not like the other ones that were basically rotten. And I was just too cheap. I ended up putting 2 new tubes on that bike anyway, but I was too cheap to, yeah, I didn't want to put the new tubes on. Oh well. and all cuts into my profit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some air in here, and you can hear the pump. We're gonna check the area right now to see how it looks. It should be okay, and then we're gonna leave it for a couple days, and then we'll check it again. Where is it? Hey, it's so good. Oh, there it is. There it is. You see that right there? Now we're gonna check it right here. See that? I got a little soapy water in here. Nothing at all. Double check to make sure that there's no other leaks, because that's what happened in the other one. It's like every time I'd fill it up, I think because the tube was so rotten, it would cause another hole. So but this one, like I said, I was waiting for one, because the one with the stem too, that was not a good test. But yeah, so this is it. This looks good. Looks really good. So I'm gonna leave it. Here again. That's where we patched it, and as you can see, there's nothing, no bubbles at all. So we're gonna leave this for a couple days, and we'll come back again. See you in a couple days to see how we look as far as air. Should be fine though. The other one with the stem, yeah, it lasted a long time. See you in a couple days. All right, guys. A couple days later, I'm gonna freehand this one here, but as I said before, this is the good test, because now, still, as we can see, nothing, no leaks, no bubbles. Yeah, the other side. You see that there? That's it. Tube still holding air after 3 days. So yeah, this is a good test. If you have a tube with a puncture, and I'm sure if I get another puncture, it'll still be okay. But like I said, those other tubes, they were rotten. So we fixed the rotten ones, but unfortunately, because the tube was so rotten that the more you pumped it up, the more you got little pinholes in it. I could have just did it all day, but it's kind of a waste of the material. It's not expensive, 70 pesos, like I said, but still, you know, I think a game changer here. Again, gotta wait at least a day, but you know, if your kid or you come home at night, you take the tube off, you patch it, by the morning, it should be good to go. So anyway, guys, that's the update on a real tube with real usage. That's it, guys. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe. Shop, 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 Zada. Shop, 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 Zada. Shop, 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 Zada. Shop, 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 Zada.